pinaka-unang endorser na nasa Smile 360 pa rin ngayon. Baka tingin naman si Hero.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another day in my life as a makeup artist. But this time, meron pa akong ibang role. I'm a content creator today because I'll be attending Content Creators Night of one of the most leading dental clinic in the country, Smile 360. Let's go! We're on the way now to the Legislative Building. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, I'm also a youth leader in my community. We're here now. Ta-da! I'm with Cheska. Hey, let's go. We're here now at Antipolo Center downtown with the team. Rules. While waiting kay Ate Aba, dito muna kami sa Rest and Go. Hey, with the Viva Max artist. Yeah, we're in BGC now. Dito magpiprep yung owner and CEO of Smile 360. Since tapos na kami renew ng passport ni Ate Aba. So we're going up na para mag-prep. Yeah. Right. We're here now sa room. Mag-set up na ang mga angels. Pak Joff Lagria is here.
Okay.
I miss you. Gandang bata, I miss you more.
Gandang bata. Oo.
Tapos na kami. 300,000 apron lang. Ano kaya?
Alam na pumunta tayo ng Smile 360.
Kasi, Pak, ano yan, te? We're here now at the press con pala to. Mali ako lang sinabi kanina. Siyempre, I'm still with Joff. Gorgeous, no? With the owner and CEO, Doc Mike. Thank you po. Nabusog na naman kami, Doc Mike. Thank you. Helena. Pa?
Ano yung gagawin?
Bilang BJ Abadiana members.
Smile 360.
Thank you. Diba? Ready na si Madam.
Ito ba yung artista?
Edward Pascual
Hindi
and
siya
Jock
red.
Lagria.
Always and forever. Hey. Tulot. Pag hindi na ako kinuha ni Madam, ibig sabihin may nawala. Thank you very much again for trusting. Congratulations. Diba? Thank you, ma. Maraming salamat.
Smile 360.
With the manager of One Bird, the ever-talented designer and manager to me. Congrats po!
Ayun, so sobrang happy ako kasi sa tagal ko sa kanila, naranasan ko talaga yung pagiging kapamilya sa kanila. Yung mga nagtatanong pa kung okay ba yung Smile 360 yun, feeling mo talaga VIP ka / kapamilya.
Kasama ko po si Chef Jello. Hello, magandang gabi po. Gutom na ba kayo? Ano yung ano te? No one knows.
I'm with the legit OG food reviewer vlogger. Marky Box in the house.
Today, we're performing something.
We are now at the favorite part ng lahat. Whenever they attend event, it's eating time. Hey!
Buhay Apple Group, happy first year anniversary.
Thank you very much. Congrats again.
Saka, syempre, honoring to be a part of this special day again.
I'm with Angeline Nicole. Alis na kami. By sharing this table.
Actually, ano na, dinner na ako ngayon.
And wedding dress, anak-anakan.
Let's go!
Hey! Siya! Congrats na. Si mami niya. Patapos yung event pero kailangan na namin umuwi because our son is waiting for us. Wow! Feeling ulirang magulang. Hindi pa tapos yung party pero umuwi na kami kasi may mga gagawin pa kami. Doon, ang dami kong nakalimutan i-film, the makeup ni Madam kasi sobrang busy kanina. But thank you for joining me today. And if you have any dental needs, dental clinic, dental care, just go to Smile 360. May mga co-parent ako dun sa school ng baby ko. Tapos nasa surprise sila na fake yung teeth ko. Kala nila totoo. Smile 360 yun. Thank you, Smile 360.
So, thank you so much for coming and hope everyone enjoys the night.